Do you know that when an atom loses an electron or gains an electron, it becomes what? An ion. That takes us to the subject, chemistry. 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 And in chemistry, we'll be discussing atomic structure. Atomic structure. We'll be discussing atomic structure. And in atomic structure today, we'll be talking about ion. Ion. What are ions? I told you in this video as I started, I said that atoms, when they gain or lose electron, they become what? An ion. So what are ion? Number one, take note. Ion. Ion. These are atoms. Okay? Ion. These are atoms or group of atoms or group of atoms. These are atoms or group of atoms with electrical charge. With electrical charge. Okay, these are atoms that possesses what? An electrical charge. Are you with me now? Now, know one thing for sure, that when an atom becomes an ion, that means that the numbers of proton and electron are no longer going to be the same. I told you in the previous video that an atom is electrically neutral when it has equal number of what? Proton and electron. Let's take, for example, the atom sodium. Look at this now. Sodium, Na. Okay? And then let's take this Na plus. Pay attention, please. Now, if you look at this, this is 281 in electronic configuration. What that simply means is that this is, let me draw this now. What that means is, why this one will be 28? Do you understand what I'm saying? Meaning, it has lost one electron. So now, just follow me. Now, you have this now for sodium. Then you have another structure in here like this. Then you have another one now. So you have 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then you have 1, 2. Okay? So you have 2, 8. Then you have 1 here. Are you with me? Now, this one now will be this now. Watch this. You have this. 1, 2, and the third one. Okay? Now, there is a reason why I drew the third one. This one will be 1, 2. Okay? And here will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this will be what? 1, 2. Now, this will be 2, 8. Why this is 2, 8, 1. Now, look at this now. There will be no need for this one. So, this will be cleaned off. You see now, because there are no electrons in this, that shell, okay? Or that's moving around the what? The orbital or the shell, as the case may be rather. So now, look at it now. If you look at this very well, you will see that this is an ion because it possesses what? An electric charge. Why this is the normal atom that we talk about at the neutral state. So the reason is because it has the same number of what? Proton and electron. Do you understand it now? So in this case, sodium P will be what? P will be equals to what? Electron. But in this case, P is not equals to electron. So what will this atom be now? Are you seeing it now? This atom is called, that takes us to ions that are what? Positively charged are called what? Cations. Cations. Ions that are positively charged are called cations. While ions that are negatively charged, take for example Cl minus, Cl minus. Okay? Ions that are negatively charged are called what? Anions. Can you see that now? So what I want you to understand quickly with this is that ions, these are atoms or group of atoms with what? Electrical charge. And these ions with positive charge are called cations, while ions with negative charge are called anions. Cl here, this chlorine minus, we mean that chlorine is what? Gaining an electron. Why this Na plus means that sodium is losing an electron to form this octet rule, this thing, electronic configuration. Look at this now. When it was electrically neutral. Look at the configuration, 281. But when it became an ion, it became 2,8. Can you see it now? In the electronic configuration arrangement. Don't worry, when we begin to talk about orbitals, we begin to analyze electronic configuration, you will understand how this came into play. But take note of this, that ions are atoms or group of atoms with what? Electrical charge. Let me give you more examples of ions with positive charges. Example we have Ca. Example we have Ca2 plus. Let me write it here. Example we have Ca2 plus. This is a cation. Another one is Mg2 plus. This is also a cation. Can you see that now? Then we also have Na plus. This plus means it's losing only one electron. This 2 plus, magnesium is 12 in the periodic table. This one is losing how many? 2. Are you with me? Okay. This one is losing how many? 2. That's the meaning. Okay. So in this case, it is very difficult for an atom to lose its proton, but very easy for an atom to lose its electron. So that's why we say that ion is what? They are, when an atom loses its electron or gains electron, an ion is formed. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So with this, you now know what an ion is. They are atoms or group of atoms with what? Electrical charge. And I gave you example of cations. Let me give you example of anions. This one are what? Positive what? Ions. That's ions with positive charge. Okay? Ions with positive charge. Take note, ions with positive charge, we call them cations. Okay, this one is anion now. So look at anions. Anions. Example of anions will be SO4 2 minus. Okay, this will take us to something else we also call radicals. Don't worry, we'll talk about that later. But I just want you to know what an ion is. So you have another one, CO3. You also have 2 minus. These are examples of what? Another one is an OH minus. This is also an example of anion. It means it's gaining 1. This one is gaining 2 electron. This is gaining 2 electron. Do you understand what that is? Why this one 2 plus means it's losing. I know you say, but sir, there is plus there. That plus is telling you the number of electron is losing to make this one a stable octet rule. When we get to electronic configuration, you will understand better. But put this in mind, ions are atoms or group of atoms with electrical charge. I hope you do understand. In the next video, we are going to look at how to calculate the numbers of proton, electron, neutron, as the case may be, in an atom. When it is at the atomic level, when it has equal number of proton and electron, or when it's at the what? This state, when it is an ion. I'd like you to follow for more videos like this. Follow on Facebook and Instagram at Adobe Fikemba, and subscribe to YouTube channel at Adobe Fikemba. Thank you.